Hey y'all, today we are trying out a new foundation. This is the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better Foundation Plus Skincare. This comes in 40 shades and is $39.50. I got mine in store at Ulta. They also have it online. Let me tell you a little bit what this is supposed to do. It's supposed to be buildable medium coverage, true to skin shades. Sorry, I had a phone call. Now I don't know where I was at. True to skin shades. It's not supposed to oxidize, and I will say mine did not oxidize at all. I love that. It says microfine pearl powder for a natural radiant finish. It says it's supposed to amino acid coating preserves the longevity of color. All good stuff. So this is of course what we're looking like. If you guys want to see how this applies, how it wears, all of that, I hope you subscribe if you haven't already. Also, if you are new here, I want to let you guys know I use all natural lighting always. You'll kind of see the color go in and out sometimes. That's the sun, man. It's just the sun doing what it does. Going in, coming out, you know. But yeah, I want you guys to see my skin naturally. I don't want lights to wash it out, make it look better than it does, because ring lights, softbox lights, they all do that. They make your skin look better and they wash it out. I want you guys to see my redness, rosacea, pores, all of that. It is more difficult to film, but you guys see, and then you guys will see how this covers. And that's exactly what I want for my videos. So I'm going to stop ranting. If you haven't subscribed, I hope you do. And let's hop in. Oh, just kidding. One more thing. I have a giveaway going on. So watch this video, enter that. Okay guys, let's hop in. Okay, tan warm 41 is our shade. It says better looking skin instantly and over time. Natural, no makeup effect. Coverage that minimizes pores and imperfections. All day hydration and wear. On bare skin in 2 weeks, it evens the skin tone, refines skin texture, and softens skin. So I can't tell you what's going to happen in 2 weeks. I'm just going to give you my first impressions on it now, of course, but I will update you guys as usual in the description box. All right, we have a pump. This might be a little dark. I don't know. Of course, we can't do swatches or any of that jazz. So I am going to put this on the skin. Wait, let me shake it first. I have nothing on the skin. Just my regular moisturizer. It would be great if I could think how it naturally wears, how it looks on its own, all that good stuff. I'm going to use the IT Cosmetics Radiant Foundation Brush, and I'm going to push this into the skin. This is going to give us maximum coverage. We don't want to buff it around. That won't give us as much coverage. And I'm trying to see what our max coverage will be here. So it's looking pretty good. We'll definitely want to layer it. But it's not bad so far. The match is actually pretty good, surprisingly. Alright, definitely need more on the forehead. So, how's everyone doing? Update me down below. School starts back here on the 25th. Luckily, they put it off. It actually starts back a lot sooner than that here, but they extended that out. We have like a hybrid model and straight virtual. You can either go to school 2 days a week and do the other 3 online, or you can do it all online. We are doing all online. If you don't know, my son is autistic and very routine oriented, and that just 2 days a week is not our best bet. So we are definitely doing all online. He doesn't like that either. He actually loves school, wants to be at school. But this is what we have to do right now. So he kind of understands. All right, with the brush, we are getting a few brush strokes, kind of lines Also, the lines in my face, I just had a like a headache relief massage. So my headaches, migraines have been horrific. So I'm kind of doing everything I can to ease them. Been going to the chiropractor once a week, massages, all of that stuff. So we'll see. The nose does not look good here at all. It's polka dot pores. I'm gonna add a little bit more. See if we can even that out. I'm gonna try a sponge with it on the nose. I think that's about as good as we're gonna get the nose. So I think it feels good on the skin. It's pretty light. I think it looks hydrating. I can feel a little bit of hydration, but it's nothing major. I think it does look good overall. I think we got it to about medium coverage. You can still see imperfections. Only complaint I really have right now is the nose. It doesn't look good on the nose. It looks better than it did the first time, but it still doesn't look great. So take that one into consideration. I'm gonna go off camera, throw on just a little bit more makeup, not much, and we'll be back to talk about this. We're back, just kidding. Also, I have friggin' foundation on my shirt. This is a white shirt, one of my favorite shirts. And now it's ruined. I'm going to try to get it out, but probably won't happen. So let's set the under eye really quickly. I'm going to use the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Pressed. I'm just going to throw a little bit under the eye. Alright, and here's what I want to do. This still isn't fully set. It definitely has a little bit of tackiness to it. On half of my face, I want to use the Your Skin But Better Airbrush Perfecting Powder by IT Cosmetics. Let's try this out. We will see how it wears, if there's a big difference, all of that. So like I said, I'm going to set this side. We've got our powder right here. So from one cheek to the other is what we're going to be judging. Okay, so here is our set side, unset side. We still have a glow. It didn't take it away. It looks really, really pretty. Okay, so I'm going to go off camera, finish up the face. We'll be right back. Trying to cover up my stain over here from the stupid foundation, you know, falling everywhere. So yeah, this is our finished look. All I did was a little bit of bronzer, highlighter, Eyewear 117 lashes, a lip, and this is what we've got. This is our set side. This is our unset side. Of course, things didn't blend as well on this side. It wasn't set. I mean, you guys know the drill. So, we have a surprise in this video. I want to do a giveaway since this is a IT Cosmetics themed video. I have this brush. This is my third one. I love this brush. It's just dirty. That's why I haven't used it. This is the IT brushes for Ulta number 115. We also have a second one here, brand new. This is $26, I believe, and I want to give it to one of you guys. So if you want to enter the giveaway, comment on this video where you're from and how you heard about me. Also, you can comment anything you want on my last 3 videos. That's it. This is US only. I'm sorry, I don't know how to ship internationally. It's just not my thing. But yeah, I definitely want to give you guys this brush. It is so good. Now, with the foundation, it's doing okay as of right now. I like the way everything looks. I like the way it came together. So we'll see about that. I will do a check-in way later on. But yeah, don't forget to enter the giveaway. So if I think of anything else, oh, make sure you are subscribed, duh, and make sure you like this video. But besides that, that's all you have to do. Super simple, super easy. And then if I forgot anything, I'll be sure to mention it, hopefully at the check-in. But yeah, I will see you guys later on tonight. Okay guys, sorry, I changed my shirt. It is hot here and I didn't want to go around with the stain all day, so this is what we've got now. Okay, let's talk a little bit about this foundation. It's grown on me more. I like it more than when I first put it on, but there are some major downsides to it. It's definitely bunching in my smile lines. Badly, like really badly. You guys can see it there. It just it doesn't look great, but overall it does look pretty darn good. It's faded a little bit, but not much. This side, which is our non-set side, I've touched my face a couple of times and you can definitely see that. The nose doesn't look great still. This one to me is more of a toss-up. I like some things about it and I don't like some things about it. Maybe my moisturizer isn't working great with it. Maybe that's why my nose doesn't look so great. I don't know. So I'm going to continue to use this 2-week mark that they have as well. I want to try that and I will update you guys in a future video about it. Also down below. Right now, I think there's better, honestly. This medium coverage mark. I just tried the Too Faced Born This Way matte. You can hop over and watch that video. I'll link it as well. But to me, that one blows this one out of the water. And the finish isn't that different. The Born This Way matte is claimed to be matte, but it's a very soft matte, way more smoothing than this one. This one really doesn't smooth, I would say. I don't think it accentuates your pores, but I don't think it smooths your pores either. So it's kind of like right now, the bad outweighs the good of this one a little bit more. I don't see those claims as much. I think it is hydrating. It doesn't feel bad on the skin. It's not heavy. It doesn't weigh you down. But, you know, it's kind of like, eh. Now, if I see some drastic changes in my skin, my bare skin with those skincare ingredients in it, maybe I'll like it better. Maybe it is doing something underneath. I don't know. But I do want to look through the list of ingredients here. I wouldn't say I am incredibly knowledgeable about ingredients, but I'm pretty ingredient savvy. I know a lot of ingredients, and there's really nothing in this that is going to do anything great for your skin. And all of the high ingredients on here, the main ingredients, they're not very good. So there's my 2 cents on that. But yeah, I'm gonna stick to, I don't recommend this as of right now. Like I said, I'm gonna continue to use it. I'll update you guys, but that is it. I'm gonna wrap this one up. I'll leave this on for a few more hours. Comment down below how it continues to wear. Don't forget to enter the giveaway for this awesome brush. This is something that I love. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you do, I hope you subscribe and click that bell, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye guys.